Let's go ahead and create a cube here. SolidWorks, we'll hit sketch. We will select the top plane that we want to start sketching it on. We're going to go ahead and select, we want this cube to be based at the origin and then extend out. Let's make it a 6-inch cube. So we'll go 6 inches by Smart Dimension, hit enter, and then again we'll set the height of it 6 inches by Smart Dimension and hit enter. Let's go ahead and zoom this thing, fix this thing in place, and you'll see it's just a 2D cube. So we hit the check mark on Smart Dimension, and now we're done drawing it, so we'll hit exit sketch, and then we'll drop over here to features and click on extruded boss and base. Now we can drag this thing up to you see the dimensions, or we can go ahead and just type in a physical dimension. We want it to be 6 inches, and from the sketch plane, blind, and in the upward direction. Now we'll hit the check mark, and there's our cube. Let's go ahead and draw some holes in this cube. So again, we'll go sketch, and we'll select the plane or the surface that we want to sketch on. Select the hole, and draw that hole. Now we need to dimension that hole, its location. So we'll say it's 3 inches from that edge, and then we'll say it is 3 inches from this edge. Oops. Nope, that's not working. Go Smart Dimension, select this edge, and go 3 inches. There we go. 3 inches. Now we also want it to be 3 inches in diameter. You know what, let's make it 3.5 inches in diameter. Hit Smart Dimension and hit exit sketch. Now we want this hole to go all the way through, so we're going to hit extruded cut, and then instead of blind we'll hit through all. And notice that it's at that surface down here. Hit OK, and there it is. There's our hole. Now let's go ahead and do the other two edges. So we'll select that, select this, go boom boom. Now we're going to say 3 inches. And if we didn't want it to be 3 inches, that went 2 inches. We want 3. Double click on that dimension and pop it up again, and then you can retype in the dimension that you want. There's another 3 inches, and well, we did 3.5 on the whole diameter, and then we'll hit the check mark, hit exit sketch, go back over here, extruded cut, blind, nope, let's make it through all, and let's go ahead and hit that. It went all the way through. We have one more face to do. So again, we could also do it from here. We hit extruded cut, select the face that we want, and then start drawing. So 3 inches, 3 inches, and 3.5 inches, 3.5, boom. And it automatically brings us back into the extruded menu, and again we want to tell it through all and hit OK. So now we have a part, it's got holes all the way through it. Let's say we wanted to put some bolts in this, and typically when you like to put bolts in, you like to have a chamfer around the hole. So we'll select all the holes, grab the chamfer, grab the chamfer, grab the chamfer. Let's make that a 1/4 inch chamfer, and at 45 degrees, and there it is. So let's also go ahead and fillet all the outside edges. I can either select individual edges, or I can select the whole face. Let's go ahead and select the whole faces. That's easier, so we make sure we don't miss out on a face. Pan around it, let's make sure, okay. And let's call that a 1/4 inch radius on the fillet, and hit OK. We'll go back to our normal isometric view, and there's our cube with holes in it, chamfers, and fillets.